Best cigars for beginners and why? For beginners, it is recommended to start with a mild cigar with a smooth taste. Some good options for mild cigars include Ashton Classic. This cigar is made with a blend of Dominican tobacco and has a creamy, nutty flavor. It is considered a medium-bodied cigar and is smooth and well-balanced, making it a good option for those new to cigar smoking. Monte Cristo White Series. This cigar is made with an Ecuadorian Connecticut shade wrapper and a blend of Dominican tobaccos. It has a light and creamy flavor with notes of cedar and nuts. It's a mild-bodied cigar that is easy to smoke and not overpowering. Macanudo Cafe. This cigar is made with a Connecticut shade wrapper and a blend of Jamaican and Dominican tobaccos. It has a smooth, creamy flavor with notes of wood and nuts. It is considered a mild-bodied cigar and is a popular choice among new cigar smokers. Romeo y Julieta 1875. This cigar is made with a Dominican wrapper and a blend of Dominican tobaccos. It has a nutty, woody flavor and is considered a mild-bodied cigar. This cigar is a classic and timeless brand which makes it a good choice for beginners. Rocky Patel Connecticut. This cigar is made with a Connecticut wrapper and a blend of Nicaraguan and Dominican tobaccos. It has a smooth, creamy flavor with notes of nuts and cedar. It is considered a mild-bodied cigar, easy to smoke, and perfect for beginners. It is important to note that taste is subjective, so it's best to try a few different cigars to find one that you enjoy. Additionally, it is important to remember to properly store your cigars and smoke them in a comfortable setting. Follow us to receive